before now.
No, because
What? No, wait. Why you be like this? See what easy be.
No.
You the finger. Are you? Why are you? You gonna first of all use finger too much. What is this? This thing means come here. I know that you feeling me from away. Anyway, una welcome back on top of the night show. Una welcome back on. I know that you feeling me from away. Nedu continue, Yare. I don't enter spirit. Una welcome back on top of the night show for today. Uta una say those children when they be come yesterday. Today we'll get them for inside studio. Sharp. Make una waka enter since una not great confidence since. Una the shame. Are you shy? No. Yeah. Waka enter. Wait, T-Classic. Okay, no. Make Sheyi sit down. Then T-Classic, come stay here. Oh yeah, you go talk and come back. Oh, now just come stand for back. Go that way now. Not scatter our. You see him now. He wants call ourselves. Hey. T-Classic, sit down. Just this side, like woman who they stay for Okada, just sit down. All right, thank you. Easy bit. Anyway, when I welcome back, how on a day? We did fine. No, we didn't sit down yesterday. They laugh. No, we didn't sit down. They laugh anyhow yesterday. If they say enter studio now, sing. Gonna go enter quickly. Who sing that song? No, him. He sing that song. You like this? Oh, so if you stand from beginning to the end of the show. Not faint. No be punishment, no worry. Not be punishment. Anyway, yesterday we be telling us say we get some kind, children only be say they very. They don't see as we can't be like we say one take family picture. See children. Be like mommy and daddy. No, if our children, now this one will be first born. Because now be gangster. So this one go now you be say go copy you be that. No, not be me. Now you go. Now your grandfather. You are papa now. Now the same thing. Then this one go be our. So we born 3 children only. No, born 3 boys, 1 girl. This one will be second born. Then now the third born. Because if you see this one, it get punk. Now take all those then last born. Sheyi will be like easy beat with hair. Like Kole de Bello. Like Kole de Bello. Now be the last born. We be gay. Now make me say me she sit down. Our children welcome. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Mommy. Anyway, we tell now about them yesterday. And our children when they be say none of them don't reach 18 years old. None of them don't reach 19 years old. But when they be say they stay on their own, get record label, start music, begin do things when they do. Now, by my left here, now Sheyi, how you doing? Okay. Oh, sweet girl. Sheyi want to see so now girl or not be boy. Sheyi stand up. They don't say that girl. Now girl or not be boy. Man, I never has dressed like this. Anyway, Sheyi, to start with, tell us your full names.
My name is Sheyi Awonuga.
Sheyi Awonuga. Yeah. And you did school, have you not did school?
I did school.
Did school? Which school you did? Unilag. What did you study for school?
Business administration.
Hey, which level? You want to learn how to manage your business? Oh, you did 200 level. Yeah. Now, to take for start, how old you be for at the talk? How old you be?
17.
When them born you?
1997.
1997. I don't finish secondary school in 1997. Before. I don't finish secondary. I don't get second babe that time. Man get Juliana. Now I get Juliana in my second babe that time. She write me a letter. She come. Nedu na wa children oh, sorry, na children. Sorry. Man, I know that na front of children they will not go talk anyhow. Now, the thing what they didn't be say, I will ask you, Sheyi. You did study biz admin for school. Yeah. Now, what make you just decide? Now you say you do them before you enter school. You do them before you enter school? Yeah. How you take start? Your mama na music. Give me 5, Nedu. You want to come out from my mouth. I want to ask her, your mama na musician, be na papa na musician. I don't know, your grandpapa. Oh, wait. Look in face, wait. Which Nigerian artist you resemble? Na Teriji. If I say Teriji. If I say na Teriji on you now. Oh, wait. Look at face. Wait. Easy bit, look at where. Who it is if you born now? Teriji. I do want to say Timaya, but no. Not be Timaya. No. Oh! Danfo drivers. No, be Danfo driver. It's not Danfo that she go yellow. I'm a Danfo. Oh. No, not Teriji. Because she black. You know, Timaya follow black.
Yeah, Timaya black, but she
don't get mighty.
Timaya got polo eye. You got polo eye. She not got polo eye.
Open eye. You know, say don't get mighty.
No, don't get mighty enough Ibana. Don't get mighty enough Ibana. Anyway, what your papa and mama did you?
My dad is an engineer and my mom works with an oil company.
Your mom work with oil company, your partner engineer.
Yeah.
Where did music come from?
It reached to us, so.
It just come like that too.
It just be like that, it just come. I mean, the music don't come like that. What to make you reason to say, okay, make you range, get music label? I don't understand. What to make you reason now?
Conquer equipment, conquer all those things.
When I get studio, when you do recording, how you take think? Because I don't go like give you plenty people there. Plenty adults to go.
My brother.
Where they there now? When they say federal government not give them work.
We talk
you understand? When say government not give them work, no, this government is not trying. This government has failed.
What thing they can do? They don't wait to do something. They're nothing.
They not go school. And the funny thing is, before she go school, now she be start the record label. So what did make you start record label? I don't understand. Make us understand.
I just started the record.
What did make you start and how you?
I mean, you hear your brother here when they sing. I mean, how waiting yours inspire you like that?
Actually, I was an artist before then.
Oh, you they sing?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, talk
like I started in GS3, GS2. Parents were not in support of what I was doing, so then I met a little boy, Lil P.
Lil P, okay. Like, that's a 14 years old artist. Yeah. The 14 years old, we're not there. Talk where? You they talk small.
I met him like 2 years ago.
Okay.
So then I just started pushing him. Like I started I started with help.
Okay.
Then I just took it up like, okay, I'll spend money on this guy. Let me just sign him up and sign him as a record label. Then I started with him.
Okay.
Then I got a producer to come and produce songs for him.
Okay.
Then I just got a new artist, T-Classic, that sings. And my director that shoots video for us.
Hold on. Where you find this T-Classic? Before we enter Nino Cash.
Yeah. Where you find
all this alphabet where they put for their name like this?
T-Classic.
Where you see him?
I don't know T-Classic since like 3 years ago.
Before you started record label?
Yeah, before I started.
So you know before saying Sabi sing?
No, not really. In they do freestyle. There was one school my mama carried me go do WAEC that time because I was stubborn. Now Ogun State, now there I see him. So like after 3 years, he come out. I'm not stubborn. No. They just carry me go.
They just carry you go there.
You sure?
So I can't hear saying they sing. I can't talk say okay. We get one singer for the team now.
Okay. As Lil P now rap in the rap. Okay.
You can't say Mona you're in like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So make it not be saying only rapper just the record label. Mona get singer too.
Yeah.
You're not gonna look for girl. Make girl too. They the record label.
Me can't be
like Katim Nedu single.
Me can't be Lil T.
No, you.
I could be Mama T. Mama K.
Anyway, who be the producer for here?
Killer.
Where you for find this? What's the meaning?
Killer.
Hey!
My brother! Where you don't go? Don't they answer Killer? Hey!
How old you be?
How old you be? 17 years old?
No. I'll be 19 this June.
Okay, you go be now 18. You be now. By June you go be 19.
Why you keep yourself? I mean, now she give you Killer.
Now she give you Killer. I mean, now you the key person.
My friends.
Yeah, how do you spell this? You are Killer. K-L-A? No.
The normal Killer, then you put T-U-N-E-S. Tunes.
Oh, Killer. Oh, person with the key tunes. Oh, no. So now you produce this. Okay, now you produce Lil P and then you produce T-Classic.
So now you say you know him before you are artist.
Yeah.
Where you come meet Killer?
Killer. Talk that thing. Killer.
No, Killer.
No.
Killer. You don't keep person before.
No.
Hope you never keep person before.
You don't kill the song.
Okay, you know why they kill music. Not tunes they kill.
Killer. Me will leave and Killer tunes. That Killer.
Okay, Killer tunes. So when you start producing work?
I started producing when I was in GS3.
GS3.
When I know they go school again, they go say na to go read book. When I go sit down, they do like this. That's to start from now. So they do name of start. Do that thing.
Okay. Anything that happen as it be beat, DJ, give us beat.
But it's not this table.
Give us beat. T-Classic. Yeah. Wow.
They do not sing.
Sheyi sing.
No.
Okay. They do beat. You sing.
Me say I don't feel the music.
yeah.
Hey.
Noli,
Wait, now make
come to
Nedu don't talk again. You dey interrupt the show.
We dey for Nedu show. We dey think of how to blow. That's what the thing go. We go no go no.
Okay, you got kid. If you not killer, you not bury. If this one kid, this one go bury.
No, Inko be killer that.
Killer. Okay, which one? What's
your name? That classes.
Ivan Mayo.
Ivan Mayo. Come on, your glass. I beg. No,
you be like Stevie Wonder.
Inside. This accurate. No, mommy.
No, you can one song. Remember that song?
Mommy. They're not gonna this song. They see they play that time. No. Tell me, how old do you be?
Yeah, I'm 19 going to 20.
You're 19 going to 20.
Yeah.
Now, you know, what do you do?
Yeah, I'm into motion pictures, visuals.
Okay. Now be people who want to be like what do they call Clarence Peters then?
Director.
The director. They direct videos. Okay. You don't direct any. They don't shoot any video.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you direct the video.
Yeah.
Okay. Now team unabi.
Yeah.
Like una team where they work together.
No, like this Fultron. That kind of thing.
Okay, this one go bring in power, this one go bring in power, they'll come from one. Okay. Now, Killer Tunes, when you begin production, you say you start when you did Just 2. Just 3. Now, only Lil P and T-Classic you don't produce so far. Abi, you get other artists where you don't produce.
I don't do other songs, like, I don't do songs with Terry G.
We don't talk say Terry G must say this. You know they talk Terry G since. This can no talk true. Move on now.
Okay, you don't do song with Terry G and wait again. Which other artist again? Timaya.
Hey,
Wow.
Neru, you don't say we know far. All those names we don't mention.
As if say we know Timaya and Terry G. You're okay. Any other artists we don't do songs for?
Yeah, Seriki, CDQ, and some other guys.
Okay. Apart from their video, you got another video where you don't produce as well.
Yeah. I just did a job for Hypertext and who's his name again? Rocksteady.
Hey, give me 5. You are too much. My brother.
Now, who they do now promotion? Okay, who they do now?
No, may we go market, come back.
No. Before we go market, no.
May we hear that music. That music too sweet. No, be that music.
No.
That music.
No.
Q-Classic. No,
before we go market, now you they promote them, they do everything. Because when I would wonder how I take meet Sheyi just call me for phone. Say person give her my number, say want do promotion of song go on top Wazobia. And when I hear the voice, I say Talili. When he come, when I say
sir, I don't see you before. I know you before.
What do you want to do? You say I want to promote music on the radio. Okay, your music. Say no, my artist. You, that artist. How old are you? She said she be 17.
Now the same as
reaction
you they get.
She wear short knicker, she come dey pack. I'm like, no shit, you know what I mean?
She pack?
I want to like no Baba man. Shit me see I mean man. I just
yeah. How many brothers you get for? How many will be?
How many will be for us?
2.
And then when she first time he said mama no agree all those things. Then finally when he come go hazard day, he come call me say don't reach out. Come give him mama phone. I've known the mother talk. So Twale to the mother of Sheyi. Now everything one you do before we carry waka come for inside studio, before we carry waka come out, would they more grease to na elbow. We pray make una grow big pass Don Jazzy, big pass Maven.
The video don't come out.
Una video don't come. Okay. It go drop soon.
But the video for this song is
okay. Very soon we go show na the video. But anyway, thank you Sheyi. Thank you T-Classic, Killer. And
Killer Tunes.
And Ivan. Now before them come on the studio, T-Classic he will perform in song. Oh yeah. Come perform the song. Oh yeah. No worry, just imagine. Make I give you mic now. What I give? Take this one. Do mic. Oh yeah, easy beat.
This song.
Mona supporter now. You go do video fixing. Now you gonna check bumper. Then you gonna shout. Whoa. face camera, now you the first
go.
Camera 5, where do you
If you leave me like this, oh, baby, oh, hey, where I go. Baby, my baby, cause he don't mind I get where they got it, all you cheap. Why you the para for me? Share out because you see me with all you cheap. Me that you want, I'm nobody, you are the only one. Why you the para for me? Baby, more, baby, don't leave me. Hele, mama, don't leave me. Hele, mama, don't leave me. Hele, mama. Baby, more, baby, don't leave me. Hele, mama, don't leave me.
Hold on, come dance. Okay, go there, killer, go and dance.
Killer tunes, Nedu.
Baby, hello. Tell your friend, tell them say no be so. Baby, me yo. Our love they grow. Don't do anything to stop it, oh. Baby, me yo. Baby, my baby, cause you don't
my girl, I'm with them cousin.
Why you never?
Oh, Katim. Easy beat, Sheyi. Oh, mama. Hey, oh yeah, lele, mama.
No, Nedu.
Lele, not to say, not enter. Oh yeah, make we go back as we come back. Still on top of the night show. Man, I never go. That matter we go discuss. Oh yeah.